Hey guys, Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a super rare, extremely hard truck to find to show today. It's this 2017 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. Built with the 3406 pre-elog cat, 18 speed. It's got 3/4 lockers, 393 on the miles. There's your miles and hours. I've gotten it hot today, so we're going to show you the oil pressure, blow by, do a full walk around for you, show you what this truck is. Hope that you love it. It's extremely rare to find this miles on factory built glider with a cat. So that's the key. If you want a cat, there's probably only a handful out there available. Great oil pressure on the low side, high side. Platinum interior, dual leather seats. Basically new steers. Air ride front end as well, so it should ride super smooth. It's got little to no blow by, so mechanically this truck's just really well put together. Really clean look, 72-inch flat top. Body and paint, exceptional condition. Frame rails are in good shape. Basically new Firestones all the way around. Truck is also equipped with disc brakes, so another rare option, especially in this year range. So guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.